When I took a bite of this, I swear, my life just like flashed before my eyes.
Hey! It's no secret that rapper Rich Brian has bars, but I also hear he has some serious skills in the kitchen. I had to see it for myself. So today, I'm learning the Rich Brian method of cooking the perfect ribeye steak. And in return, I'm showing him how to make a thick patty, dry age, juicy, $400 steakhouse burger, complete with white truffle and caviar. Straight up baller vibes. Can he live up to the hype? You be the judge. What up, y'all?
What up, y'all?
Welcome to the Burger Show. I'm excited to have our guest. We've been on the First We Feast family for a minute now, but we've never met. Rich Brian.
Hey.
Today is something special because it's something that you love. It's something that I love.
Yes.
And that's
Meat.
meat. Rich Brian loves meat.
I love meat. Around 18, 19, I like went to the grocery store and I saw like a ribeye and I was like, I want to try making that. I want to get it right every time. And that's just like where the obsession kind of came from.
Yeah. I just recently opened a new butcher shop in Chinatown called Amboy Quality Meats. I pulled out all the stops.
All right.
And I got the best steaks in my case and I brought them here today and we're gonna make some magic.
Fuck yeah.
If you trim really good steaks, the leftovers make the most amazing burgers.
I bet.
I wanna learn about the Rich Brian technique on making steaks. There's 3 beautiful prime ribeyes there. Why prime? Why ribeye?
Because ribeyes are the most tender steaks that you can get, in my opinion. The first time I tried like a ribeye, I just felt like, I don't know, filet mignons are just kind of like a little overhyped. Even if you get like a choice ribeye, it's still kind of tender.
True.
And you know, there's choice, there is
Select.
Select, that's the lower one, right?
Select is probably what you get at the chain steakhouse restaurant.
Yeah.
I'm pretty
Ribeyes.
impressed that you knew.
You know, whatever hobby I pick up, I like to get super into it and like the nerdy kind of details of it.
We're gonna nerd out today.
All right.
I had them tempered for you though. They're not cold, which is how you're supposed to do it, right?
Yep.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. Show me, step 1.
Okay, to be honest with you, it's been a while since I made a steak. So, if I fuck up the temperature, I'm gonna be really embarrassed, but at least I said that in the beginning. Put some salt on it.
You're not shy with the salt. That's so key for a good steak.
This cut is kind of thick, so I wanna make sure it's kind of seasoned all the way through. Sometimes I kind of like do this thing where I just like put it on the board and like...
That's pro move right there.
Do a little...
Yo! Yes!
Yeah.
People, just chill. Rich Brian knows what he's doing.
Wait, I've actually never cooked a steak with like this string on it. Do I just leave it on or?
Yeah, you leave it on.
Okay.
These are little booby traps I've set up for you, my friend. So, because this is prime and because we let it temp, we wrapped it in butcher twine.
So it doesn't fall
So it doesn't fall apart.
Got it. Just a little bit of garlic powder, just a little bit.
Dude.
Because I love garlic. I'm just gonna crush up some of it and...
Fresh garlic?
Fresh garlic.
Always has to be fresh garlic.
Yeah.
The Rich Brian technique, so far, perfect.
Okay.
The sear is looking really nice. He's constantly flipping his steak, which means your new school, the way chefs like me make steaks, is we don't just let it sit there.
Right.
We constantly flip it to get an even texture all around. Bam.
Yeah, as you can see, I'm getting some sear going. I put the butter in.
Butter is in.
Butter's in.
Garlic is in. You threw a little fanciness in there. What is that?
That's rosemary. No big deal.
And you're basting.
I kind of do this like when I feel like my steak is almost done.
You don't want to burn the garlic. You don't want to burn the butter. And you definitely don't want burnt rosemary.
I will say though, the steak is curling up a little bit and that makes me a little bit nervous.
I think that's a good tell sign that it's done.
Yeah?
Yeah. What are you supposed to do? Are you going to cut it right away?
No, you let it rest.
Bam! Bro, you're fucking killing it.
Usually when you let it rest, the residue heat will cook the steak a little bit more.
Yes.
Ooh,
okay.
That looks pretty good.
That one slice you just cut right now?
This one?
Yeah, and you gotta swag it out. Like hold it up and just brag about it.
You see this shit? It's
social distance, hype man. Social distance hype man.
This is just top to bottom. You know, pink is not too bloody. You know, first, it's not blood, it's myoglobin.
Ooh. Myoglobin is not blood, fam.
It's not.
Hey.
To all the well-done eaters out there, you're not eating blood.
I don't even know what I'm fucking doing here. This is the Rich Brian show, dude.
This is like one of the best steaks I've ever cooked.
Wow.
To be honest, I'm pretty blown away by this.
You've passed the test so far. Now I gotta try this shit.
There you go.
So obviously, I'm a spinalis dorsi guy. You know what that is?
Is that the cap?
It's a ribeye cap.
It's a ribeye cap. Come on, man.
This is like a French chef cooked it.
I do.
Yo.
Okay. Oh my God.
The sear is perfect. The seasoning is right there. It just brings out all of the beefiness. You can cut this steak with a fork.
That's how you know your store is lit.
It's lit and it's cooked perfectly. Everyone in this room right now, their mouths are watering.
I feel bad.
I don't. You just showed me how to make an amazing steak. So let's take your power and we'll take my burger power.
Yep. And we'll do the fusion thing.
We'll fuse it. We're gonna fuse it.
Exactly.
And we're gonna make an amazing steakhouse burger. I've become a meat dealer. I'm the meat pusher in downtown LA now. So what I have for you right now are my basic cuts. Yeah, this is basic.
Okay.
Check this out. Bam.
Yo, what the fuck?
116 days, dry aged, American Wagyu beef ribeye tomahawk. And we're turning this into a hamburger.
Oh, that shit is going down there like butter. Oh man, that looks beautiful. That's some Fred Flintstone shit.
When I say Jordan, elephant, cement print, this is what we're talking about. So this is a filet mignon. The reason why this is in the blend is for texture.
Okay.
A nice tenderness. And then we have New York strip. This is here because it has amazing fat count. Then we have the best.
Yeah.
It's made out of ribeye, but it also is dry aged and it has that nuttiness. It's got that nice funk.
Oh my God.
We're basically intensifying the beef flavor.
Yeah.
Let's get started.
Let's do it.
I know it's looking a little unfair. I got this big ass behemoth of a meat grinder. And we got you
This chode.
a hand crank. Like any kitchen, I'm gonna have to make you pay your dues. I'll let you have a head start because yours is gonna take way longer than mine. Is it going in?
No.
Go to the other way?
Does
that should just come back out again?
Yeah.
They call that tamping.
Oh, I see it.
There you go.
It's a nice little workout.
37 minutes later. To his credit, he is not giving up.
Here it is.
Boom. My turn.
That looks so much easier. It's coming out so much faster too.
When it's a steakhouse burger, you don't want it thin. Grab the ground beef and just make a ball. In a circular motion like that,
Oh, wow.
pack the meat in and then press like this. And we're gonna salt it just like you did with your steak. Flip it over and then pepper. We're gonna let this sit for a little bit.
Cool.
We're gonna cut our bun. I mean, look at the sesame seed coverage on that bad boy. And then I'm gonna grab a little bit of this butter. We'll go right into the pan. You wanna get that butter to cover the entire bun so that you don't have dry spots. See how you're touching it right now? It's kind of firm.
Yeah.
That's gonna give. It's just gonna like loosen. That's when you know when the bun's ready to go. We're gonna make truffle oil mayo. And we're just gonna drizzle it on top of the mayo. We're folding it in. Oh, can you smell that?
Oh my God.
Since we have our mayo ready, we have our buns ready. Let's start cooking this steak burger. Pop a little bit of oil on here, and I'm gonna throw this patty on. You hear that?
Ooh.
That's magic.
Sounds fucking sexy.
I like to just give it a little bit of a press to make sure that the contact gets in there and gets a nice sear. 3 or 4 minutes on that side.
Cool.
We'll get a little bit of this truffle mayo. We'll spread it on the bottom and then on the top. I'm gonna flip it over.
Oh my gosh.
We got that caramelization right there, right? We're gonna throw a little bit of butter in here. And then I'm ladling it onto the burger. Since this is a fancy steakhouse burger,
Yes.
I actually brought raclette. And raclette is famous for melting. Let's grab your torch.
I see where this is going.
This has become something of legend on the burger show. I hope I don't blow myself up. Oh my God, did I burn the microphone? Do this circular motion.
It's like bubbling already.
This is that like fire ass line you say, and you just drop the mic after. We're gonna put it on the bottom bun. That already looks like an amazing burger. Mm-hmm. But that's not good enough for Rich Brian. A little bit of white truffle. Ooh. And we're gonna shave the white truffle. I love
white truffle.
It's crazy. That's new money. Nice.
Yeah, I made like a little flower.
Yeah, we Murakami the shit out of this right
Exactly.
now. And then, again, guys, Rich Brian is on the show. He's a First Sweet Feast family member. Uh-huh. Cat-like reflexes. What I have right here is caviar service. So we're gonna top the burger. I want you to put a little bit on your wrist.
Okay.
And I want you to make sure the quality is good.
Wow, that is
Grade
better
A.
than any caviar I've ever tried.
Uncut. Load your burger up.
Okay.
Use all of that.
Okay, cool.
We can give it a nice little push like that. And let's give it a little flex to the camera. This is the Rich Brian Steakhouse Steak Burger. Just the meat alone was $300. We broke it up, there's two, let's just call it $150. We put about $100 worth of caviar on it. That little baby piece of truffle, like 125 bucks.
Are you serious?
So this would probably be like a $400 burger.
Jesus.
Marked up. Oh, my friend.
Yeah.
Perfectly medium.
Your lead, man.
Let's give it a try.
All right. Oh my God. That was pretty fucking ridiculous.
Wow.
When I took a bite of this, I swear, my life just like flashed before my eyes.
Hey!
I want my girlfriend to try this shit. V, where are you?
V, let's go!
There she is. You can.
Do I try this one or this one?
I would try this one maybe.
Okay.
V, are you into all this stuff?
I'm really picky when it comes to burgers, so it's really stressful. Like, if it doesn't taste good, then I instantly get sad, so I just don't order burgers that much.
Oh, wow. Okay. Ooh. Well, no, really. What are you thinking?
This is really good. I've never tried caviar either.
Yeah, we're breaking all kinds of rules. Wow. Caviar.
Wait, I'm gonna take another bite.
Go for it, please.
This is like the best burger I've ever tasted in my entire life.
That's big.
I'm flattered. And it all goes back to making it yourself, cooking for people that you love, cooking for new friends, cooking for old friends. At the end of the day, that's the essence of our Rich Brian Steakhouse burger. Woo! Download all of Rich Brian's music. Watch him on YouTube. Burger Show, baby.
Burger Show, baby.
What's up, Burger World? Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. If not for me, for the burgers. I love you.